Hey traders and future traders, those who are interested in learning how to trade, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I encourage you to do so, and then hit the bell button. That way you get notifications when I do future videos just like this one. Again, my name is Wellness Mater, and I will be the one to help you become successful in learning how to become a trader. Whether you want to learn how to trade the forex market, the stock market, the crypto market, I'm your guy. But this presentation, I thought a lot about wanting to put this together, and I wanted to go ahead and put this on my channel. This presentation is going to be all about your dreams. So let's go ahead and lock in and discuss you getting your dreams and what your dreams are and why you should focus on working towards getting your dreams. So if you can grab a piece of paper and pen, jot this down on your piece of paper there, and just write down what your dreams are. Write out 3 things that you've always wanted in life, but you just couldn't afford. And those 3 things, once you wrote it down, I want you to put a dollar figure under each one of your dreams. Okay, because each dream has a price tag, and that price tag will determine whether or not you pursue it, right? Whether it's worth your while, whether you should, have sleepless nights to help you acquire the income to help you get your dreams. Okay, so you definitely have to have dreams before you actually start any endeavor. So I'm going to dive into this presentation that I put together for you guys to help you and to encourage you to take action towards achieving and working towards your dreams. So let's dive into the presentation. So what are your dreams? Did you write it down yet? The 3 things you've always wanted? Let me help you with that, with some visual stimulation. So it all starts with income. It all starts with money. You can't really acquire your dreams without that in place. So whether your dream is to own a home, whether it's to buy a luxury car, whether it's to travel, whether it's to get out of debt, whether it's to support a loved one, retire your parents or your spouse, whether it's to put a child through college and pay their school fees, whatever your dream is, write it down. Okay? Because in this presentation, we're going to discuss how to acquire the income, how to acquire the money to help you get your dreams. Okay? But let's go ahead and crystallize that. Make sure you write that on your piece of paper that you have there. Write your dream in. What is your dream? So that's the first question. Write out the 3 things that they are. Okay? And then put a dollar sign right next to that. And put in that number, whatever that number is. If it's a brand new house and you need $300,000, go ahead and write $300,000 in that slot. If it's a luxury car and the car is $65,000, put that dollar figure in that slot as well. And if you want to travel, what does that budget looks like? Is it going to be $5,000, $10,000, $20,000? Whatever that budget number is, write that number down. Okay. So next, let's just discuss being your own bank. You probably heard of this term or saying, or maybe you have it. Is how do you become your own bank? How do you grow your money? You hear a lot of people say save money, but they never really teach you how to grow your money. So I want to discuss that with you guys in this presentation. Is how to be your own bank. How to grow $1 into $2. How to grow $2 into $6. Because believe it or not, when you deposit your funds in a financial institution, i.e. a bank, that bank takes your money and gives it to its investment banking division. And in the investment banking division, those people, that are in that department, their main goal is to grow those funds to a larger amount. Not only to help you earn the interest that they promised you, whatever that interest number is, not much to say the least, if it's a savings account. But whatever that interest is, their goal is to help you grow the money to pay you an interest. Okay, so since the bank is growing your money, why not teach yourself how to grow your money That way you not only have the bank working on your behalf, but you also have yourself working on your behalf. I've always learned that if you take control of your own money, great things can happen. Okay, so whether you're interested in learning how to, if you like numbers like me, then this presentation is going to be very, very intriguing to you, because since these numbers that you have in your account, you need to learn how to grow those numbers to a higher amount. Okay, now there are different vehicles that will help you grow your money, right? There's investing, there's trading, there's starting your own business, there's investing in a skill set, i.e. Being a professional in a career. Okay, so there's different avenues to help you grow your money. But what I want to teach you in this presentation is to learn how to grow your money through becoming your own trader, becoming an investment trader, someone who can get into the market, financial institute markets, read a chart, and grow their money through implementing strategies and techniques within the market to help you grow your funds. Okay, so let's go on to the next slide. I wanted to introduce you guys to a academy called the CashX. And that's the website. You can pause the video, go to this website, and read a lot about what this academy has to offer. But this academy has instructors inside the academy who will teach you how to become professional traders. They're really knowledgeable in what they have to offer to give to you as far as becoming your own trader and so on and so forth. There is video tutorials inside the academy that you can watch at your leisure, and you can watch them over and over and over. Definitely, have your notebook and pen handy, because once you dive into the academy, not only are you investing in yourself, you're investing in knowledge and understanding how to trade the financial markets, whether it's forex, the crypto, because they specialize in forex and they also specialize in crypto. So CashX will be the academy that I invite you to join at the end of this presentation. That way you could start teaching yourself by watching these different instructors and watching the recordings. There are over 200 videos that you can watch in the recordings. You can also catch the live instructor events where you can actually ask questions live with the instructor, and the instructors also will invite you to trade with them, meaning you can actually look over their shoulder and analyze the charts as they teach you how to analyze the charts and execute trades with the instructor at the same time. Okay, so that's one of the benefits of becoming a student, is getting access to these instructors, to these traders inside the academy. Okay, now one of the academy's flagship product, and this is just a risk disclaimer, definitely take time to read that. That way you understand exactly what you're getting involved in. Of course, there's no guarantee of success, there's no guarantee that you earn money. The only guarantee is that if you don't get started, you won't learn anything, therefore you won't grow your money as well. So definitely read this risk disclaimer and only invest money that you're willing to lose. So it's important that you understand exactly what this means, because there are risks involved when you actually trade your money and also invest your money. Alright, so going on to the next slide. I am a student of the academy, so I want to share this with you guys, because a lot of people are, well, are you a student? I am a student, and one of the great things about becoming a student of the academy, you can actually open up your own account, brokerage account, not with the academy, but with another institution, okay, and connect your account to their trade alerts. And one of the great things about that is, as they push out trade alerts, you can actually push a button. I'll show you that on the next slide, and it will copy the same exact trade within your brokerage account. And they don't manage your money, so therefore you don't have to worry about that. But the broker you connect your account with through the platform will copy the same exact trades that the academy pushes out. as the traders are in the market executing trades, they will definitely send that alert to your smartphone, to your desktop, and you get to choose whether or not you take advantage of that trade. Now, if you're a busy professional, this is great for you because you probably don't have time during your busy day to look at the chart, but the traders in the academy has already looked at the chart, they analyzed the chart, and they send out alerts, let the students let them know that, hey, there's a viable trade here. Here's the alert. Tap the button, take the trade, and then it'll set the stop losses and it'll also set the take profits for you automatically. So this is one of their flagship products that you'll definitely have access to by just connecting your brokerage account to the academy. Okay. Now, it's called Tap to Trade. Okay. This is what it looks like. You connect it to your smartphone, and you connect it to your broker. You'll receive trade alerts. You'll be able to tap within a 2-minute window. You'll get to choose whether or not you want to take the trade or not, and then it'll secure your profits. Like I said, if the trade is a winning trade, you profit. If the trade is a losing trade, and it hit your stop loss. And the great thing about that is it won't blow your account because they've already did the calculation of what percentage where the stop loss should be set. That way it doesn't blow out your account, which is something you definitely want to take advantage of, because it's all about protecting your account balance. You don't, because when you don't set a trade alert, if you don't set a stop loss, it can pretty much blow out your account. So the actual trade alert software that handles this will definitely set your stop loss for you, and also set your take profit as well. Okay, so definitely get excited about that because you'll have access to this. There's another you got the Tap to Trade, and you also got the trade alerts. So the Tap to Trade is connected to your smartphone, and then the trade alerts are pretty much they'll send you if you're connected to Telegram, they'll send it to your Telegram account, where you can actually become a member of their Telegram account and get the alerts that way as well. So get excited about this because you'll have access to this as a student of the academy. So now I want to talk about, once you become a student of the academy, you can actually refer the academy out to your friends, family, neighbors, colleagues, associates, people that you might think would be interested in learning how to grow their own money as well, becoming their own bank. Alright, so I would definitely recommend finding 3 of your friends, 3 of your colleagues, 3 people that are interested in learning how to become their own bank, and team up with them and invite them to become part of the academy as well. You'll also get your own referral link. That way you could send it off to your colleagues and say, hey, this is I invite you to become part of this endeavor of becoming a trader, and also becoming a person that learns how to grow their own money. And when you do that, you will start receiving referral bonuses. The company will reward you by inviting other people to become part of the academy. They're called team builder bonuses. You'll receive $40 for every elite package or person that you bring into the platform. You'll also receive $8 for when your friend brings their friend on board, and you'll also receive $6.50 when that friend, the third person in that genealogy, refers somebody. You'll also get $6.50. So there's 3 ways to actually earn a referral commission with this platform. So we're as you team up with me, I will teach you how to get referrals for the academy, and how you can reward yourself by inviting others to the academy. Now, if you don't know anybody, if you don't have any friends, and don't worry about that, because I have a marketing plan, a blueprint, if you will, that'll help you get other people involved into the academy by using different marketing tactics within the internet. I'm talking about using social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I'll teach you all those different strategies that I'm using to help me get eyeballs, help me get students, that'll help you get students to become part of the academy, and you will reap the rewards of putting that marketing plan together and sharing it with the public. Okay, so stay tuned for that. There'll be a lot of videos on that, tutorial videos on how to actually create and set up your marketing platform. Okay, because I've already created the blueprint. I just need to share the blueprint with you guys, and you just follow in my footsteps. Okay. All right. Okay, so the company or the academy will reward you by helping you build 2 organizations. You'll have your left leg and your right leg, and then when you bring somebody on board, you'll start receiving what we call points, business volume points, and these points will add up. And when they add up, you will start receiving binary payouts. So if you have 5 people on your left side and you have 5 referral people on the right side, you'll earn $75 in referral bonuses. And as that tree starts to grow, as you can pause the video and see, how much money you'll earn when you have 25 people on one side, 25 people on the other side, and these are people who just want to learn how to become their own bank, are interested in becoming a student in the academy. And when that tree starts to grow, and this is not personal, you bringing all these people in, is your 2 who get their 2, who get their 2, who get their 2. It'll all add up towards your referral bonus as well. Okay, so you can stop the video and just circle on this chart here. What amount would you like to earn on a regular basis? Okay, and start. We'll team up together and I'll help you achieve that number. Okay, so if it's $3,750, let's go ahead and work together, put our thinking caps on, and work towards that number by setting goals, realistic, definable goals. Okay, so it gets kind of interesting as you look at the numbers, because the bonus will get larger and larger and larger as your student base or the referral base grows as well. So that's in place for those who are builders, and I invite you to team up with me to be a builder, a referrer, someone who's excited about the academy, someone who refers the academy out to others, and someone who implements my blueprint, my marketing strategy on the internet. All right. Additional bonuses are also will be rewarded to builders as well as your referral bonus. As your base grows, so will your income. So you'll also share in global bonus pools with the company, where the company will split 2% of the company's revenue with its shareholders. Okay, you'll also get one-time bonuses as well as you grow your customer volume base as well. So you can pause the video and circle, okay, this is what I want, and then we'll work towards getting those bonuses. Check matches. As your organization grows, you will also will be rewarded by getting check matches from builders that you build within your team as well. So you can definitely get excited about that, because the potential for infinity levels is either 1% to 5%. First generation percentage is 30%, second generation is 20%, third generation is 10%, fourth generation is 10%. So as your base grows, your student base grows, so will your check match. Okay, so imagine having 3 builders on your team and you're getting 30%, which is $3,000 per builder. That's like $9,000 you just earned by just helping your team grow. All right. Binary pay plus rank and achievement. Okay, these are like bonuses that you'll also receive, and as you can see, there's a lot of money that's going into this for those who actually share this with others. Okay, so I'm sharing it with you. You come on board, and I teach you to share it with 2 people who come on board. Those 2 share it with 2 people who come on board. So we're going to be working in 2s and 3s, but at the same time, as you start to share this platform out with others, you'll notice that your bonus will get larger and larger and larger. And this is life-changing income. Not only income that you'll earn by referring this out to others, but income that you could use towards getting your dreams. Okay, so the dreams that you wrote down on paper, just circle the number that you want as far as, okay, if your dream was that BMW was $65,000, what number on this chart will help you get your BMW? Okay, that's what you work towards. Okay, and if your dream is a house, okay, how much money would you like to earn to get the house? You might want to become a master, a master referrer. Okay, as a master referrer, I think you can get your house with that kind of income. But Rome wasn't built in a day, so it's going to take time. This is a journey. If it takes you 5 years to earn the type of income based on the level you want to hit within the rank advancements, then it takes 5 years. Compare that to a job. 5 years from now in your job, you think you'll be earning, the master income or the super income. Okay, let's say 10 years on your job, you think you'll be earning that super income or the master income. Okay, so you look at this and you say to yourself, this could supplement my income that I earn on a job. Okay, to the point where you make more income sharing the platform with others than on your job. Then you have a decision to make. Do you want to keep your job? Or do you want to refer this program out to others on a full-time basis? Okay, so what will dictate that? The amount of money earned through the rank advancements. Okay, so like I said, it's going to take some time, and all we got to do is just set definable goals to help you achieve your dreams. Because without goals, and without those goals being measurable, it's going to be real hard to hit those dreams in the near future. So we have the dreams, like I asked you to write down in the beginning. Now we just have to set goals. Okay, once you set those goals, you're going to work on those goals on a daily basis. Some people say, well, how long is it going to take to achieve these goals? Well, if you do 2 hours a day, 10 hours a week, and you teach your organization with my leadership, we teach the whole entire community, the entire organization, to do the same exact thing that I'm doing, that you're doing, and then great things can happen. Because if you can do 2 hours a day, and you have two team members doing 2 hours a day, that's 2, 4, 6 hours in your business. It's called leveraging your time. Okay, because John Paul Getty once said, I'd rather have 1% of 100 people's efforts than 100% of my own. Okay, my own efforts. Because even if you think of franchises, McDonald's is a perfect example. Okay, corporation, they pretty much share their shingle or their brand, which is the arches, right? The big M. I say to the business owner, if you want to be networked with McDonald's, here's your franchise fee. Owner purchases or pays a franchise fee, and now that owner is not connected to the McDonald's brand, but McDonald's is selling that owner what? The burgers, the buns, the fries, and so on and so forth. So, but they have a blueprint that in 10, 20, 30 years, that McDonald's will be profitable if the business owner follows the McDonald's blueprint. Okay, so the business owner knows not to sell, fried chicken if McDonald's is successful with selling burgers. Okay, so it's important to understand this is just like the same concept. Okay, we're going to teach you how to grow your money, how to be your own bank, but also we're going to teach you how to refer others to the academy. Okay, and once you've gained that skill set, you teach your organization to do the same exact thing. Not only will you earn some great income, you'll also get matching income, rank advancement income that you could use to grow your bank. Okay, because you're going to get that skill set, how to be that trader. And once you get that skill set, no one could take that skill set away from you. Just like they can't take a skill set away from an attorney. They can't take a skill set away from a doctor. They can't take the skill set away from an accountant. Because these individuals became professionals in their career. And because they became professionals in their career, they are now sought after for the knowledge they've obtained throughout the years. And then when you acquire that knowledge through becoming your own trader, there's no reason why you can't grow a $50 account into $100,000. Okay, but like I said, there's no guarantee of income. There's no guarantee because your worth ethic, the time and effort you put towards studying this platform, implementing what you learned. Okay, as a student, because you're going to be investing in yourself. as a student, it's important that you implement what you learn. Practice, practice, practice. And with my help, I'm going to guide you through not landing or stepping on line films, or because I've been through the trenches and I know what works, what doesn't work, and I'm going to guide you every step of the way to make sure you truly understand how to read a chart. Okay, what an uptrend is, what a downtrend is, what a consolidation means. You understand all these terminologies which may be foreign to you right now. Some of you guys are already traders, so you're familiar with these terms. But if you're brand spanking new, you're going to get your notebook, write down these terms, and understand what these terms are, and then implement everything you learned through the academy, through me, for yourself. That way, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years down the line, you are your own investment banker. You are growing your money based on your skill set, based on what you've learned, and now you get to write your own paycheck. Okay, you won't have to ask your boss for a raise. You go into the market and you extract the kind of money you want to help you get your dreams, to help you travel, to help you get out of debt. This is what you have in your hands right now. The ability to become not only your own boss, because you'll be sharing this with others, so you have an opportunity to be your own boss, but your own investment banker by growing your own money. Okay? So if that excites you, there's so much income involved with this platform. The compensation plan is ridiculous in itself. But again, you can pause the video, circle on the numbers you want for yourself, and let's start working towards getting those numbers. Okay? So I invite you to join the Academy now. Go to the website. The link is right there. It'll be in the description area as well. Click on becoming an Academy member. Okay, it's a one-time fee. The fee is on the website. Well, I shouldn't say it's a one-time fee. It's a monthly fee. But the great thing about that is, if you invite 3 people, 3 of your colleagues, your friends, your roommates, if you invite 3 and refer 3, your membership is no cost. Okay, so when you become a member, get with me and say, hey, share or tell me or teach me your blueprint for success, and I will definitely do a one-on-one with you. We'll get on a Zoom call and I'll teach you exactly how to share this with others, whether it's people you know or total strangers. The market for this academy is wide open, but you need to learn where these people are, okay, in order to get in front of them. Okay, so because we need to I need to teach you where these people are. Okay, there are a lot of people out there looking for an opportunity like this to become their own investment advisor, become their own, they want to learn how to become, they want to learn how to grow their own money, so on and so forth. And my marketing plan will teach you exactly where these people are, because we need to be in front of those people. That way they're interested in what we have to offer, what this academy has to offer, instead of somebody who's totally not interested. So the goal is not to try to convince anyone to do something that they don't want to do, but we want to get in front of people that are interested in learning this skill set, I should say. Okay, so definitely go to the website and sign up. Okay, there's a monthly fee, and once you sign up, reach out to me. I'll also get a notification that you've actually signed up, and then that's when you and I will, we'll get together, and I'll share with you my blueprint for success. All right, and there's a monthly membership fee and there's a yearly membership fee. Okay, and there's also, and then when you sign up, you're going to get a notification that you signed up. My Daily Income is the parent company that housed this whole academy. So you'll receive an income from them, and then once you receive, you'll receive an email from them. Once you receive that email, it'll give you all your login information. Then you go into the back office, and when you go into the back office, you want to set up your profile. Make sure you add your address. Make sure you add your payment details, where they need to send you your referral commissions and so on and so forth. Okay, and once you become a member of the academy, you're also going to receive a complimentary challenge account. Okay, which you could, be able to trade on, a live trading account, a demo account, whereby if you can prove yourself that you're worthy of that live account, they'll reward you a live account going forward. But it's a demo account, test account, test your skills to see if you can actually grow. I believe it's a $10,000 account that they'll give you to trade with, which is a demo account. And as you build your skill set, and you pass 2 phases within the challenge, they'll give you a live account, and then they'll split the profits with you. Okay, so a great way to earn some additional income as well. And I'll get with you to tell you more about that once you become a member or a student of the Academy. I'll help you set all that up. That way we can help you, get to that, pass those 2 phases. And then once you pass the 2 phases, you get a live account and they do a profit split with you. And then you'll be able to use that money to, add towards your brokerage account and grow that money as well. So if this is something you're interested in, take action. And then no tire kickers, please. I want serious-minded individuals who not only want to invest in themselves, invest in knowledge, invest in understanding how the market works. And then once you are serious enough about that, there's no reason why you can't become successful. Because money grows based on skill set. And once you have that skill set, you can write your own paycheck. So with that being said, I want to thank you all for just taking a few minutes of your time watching this presentation. There'll be a lot of videos like this discussing how to be your own bank, how to grow your own income, how to extract an income, how to write your own paycheck. Because let's face it, you can work 2, 3, 4, 5 different jobs and still not live the lifestyle you've always wanted to live. Okay, you need to learn how to acquire this skill set, and then once you acquire this skill set, implement the skill set inside the market and let the market pay you what you're worth. Okay, what you're worth. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, share this video with others. I'll also create a generic video just like this and send it to you guys that are part of my marketing team, okay, referral marketing team. Okay, that way you can send it out to your people, and then once they get excited about what they see on the video, they click the link inside the video. Okay, go to the link inside the video or connect it to a website. I'll create all that for you guys. Once they click on the link, they sign up with you through your referral link, not with me. Okay, so I'm going to create that in the next 24 to 48 hours, so that way once you become a member, I can send that generic video to you, and then you could share it to your colleagues and get them excited about becoming part of the Academy and being part of this community. So let me work on that, and I'll let you know when I'm done with that. And if you decide to join, I'm going to be the first one to say welcome aboard. Let's team up and have some fun in the process. I'm looking forward to building a friendship first, and then everything else will fall into place. So with that being said, thanks for watching and have a successful week. Bye for now.